The 2004 Toyota Highlander. This four-door, five-passenger sport utility vehicle just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine.
Top features include a split folding rear seat,
Front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, power door mirrors, power windows, an overhead console, and air conditioning.
Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as
dual front impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway.
It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner.
Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.